She's gone. Yeah.
All right, so this is the XBot Go AI camera. As you see, it's a gimbal and it's tracking all the players' movements. It's got lots of different games and it's got auto track, free live streaming, Facebook, YouTube, and more. Cloud-based storage for free, no subscription. And as you can see, it is made in California, the Caliphate of America. So open up the box and we can see you got a nice manual. We'll go through that. And it just pretty much says charge up the gimbal. And this is the gimbal, all beautifully presented. And you just open up with a flick, boom, shakalaka, and that is where your phone is going to be placed. You also get right here a little stand for the gimbal. And notice it's just a normal thread. This can be mounted on a tripod, just a standard one. It comes with a little tripod base here, just a mini one for just standing up. And let's see if my phone fits. Oh, this is the Galaxy S24 Ultra and it fits right there. I've got the case on, which might be tricky, but it seems to be all right in handling it. So you got a couple of buttons here. One's the power button that allows you to flip between landscape and portrait. And you got the mode button. One is if you move it around like that and then you double tap the mode, it's going to go back and centered. And also if you tap on the mode button, it switches between FPV and LF. So LF locks it in. So when you're moving, it's kind of like a vlogging camera situation. Or FPV, that one kind of just makes the action more smoother as you move. So it comes with an XBot Go app. And if you go into actually record, that's where the cookie crumbles. You choose what kind of game you want to play. So you can go follow me. That's what I was playing. But then there's soccer, baseball. Football is actually rugby or American football and ice hockey. So soccer is what I'm going to be playing next. And you choose what kind of age group, under 14 or over 14. I'm not sure what that difference is, but you can choose if it's large, medium, or small, 5 versus 5. I'm going to go for small. I'm going to go for under 14. And then it's kind of got its algorithm ready to record that kind of situation. I'm sure with AI, it's eventually, hopefully going to improve and be able to detect better games. So just as a quick test, I've got it on the front facing camera and I'm going to try getting it to follow me, see how good it is. And it's detected me as an object here. You can see it's got a yellow highlight around it. So I'm going to tap on my face and as you see, it's blue. So it selected me. And now if I'm moving around, you see it's going to be following me. Except if I move a bit too fast, it doesn't catch me. So I've just got to go a bit slower. I think I'm too close. It's not made for being so close. So I'm going to move it back a bit and see if it can handle me. Yo, can you handle me? Let's see. But like, I'm Neo from the Matrix. Yeah, it seems to be working when I'm standing up. Pretty fun. And you take this outside. I play a game of football.
Which way am I going? Whoa. Which way am I going? I'm gonna shoot. She's gone. Yeah.
All right, so I got it set up temporarily on a kind of tripod bin. And we're going to have it filming our football match. Right now, it thinks the match is over there, even though the ball is over on this side. But I'll see if I can correct it. And hopefully we'll get a match out of this bad boy.
Oh! It's following me. Look, that's cool.
Goal! You like that? You like that? Hello? Where you going? So one negative I also noticed is that it seems like the recording resolution is limited to a maximum of 1080p. Which this can do 4K. So in the app, it'll only be 1080p. So if you want to do 4K, you have to use the native video, which doesn't give you all the AI features that you kind of want. Hello. Now, one thing I love about this application is I've actually been using it with my internet turned off. I've got a firewall blocking all internet connections. I like a bit of privacy when I'm recording and all that kind of stuff. And this application actually allowed me to use the gimbal without connecting to the internet. I've used some devices, smart devices before, and they force you always to log in online with their servers. So I have also been running a firewall here. So I'll show you what kind of websites they are logging the action to. Obviously, I denied all the requests and it still works. So that is good. Some devices actually won't work unless you allow them to upload your data to their servers. So over here, we see It's got some generic calls. So we got one to Google, one to Bugly. I guess they're tracking to make sure the software isn't running into any bugs. You got Facebook, you got My Q Cloud. I guess it's connecting if you do want to use their free cloud services. You got Facebook, you got Eng Cloud. So probably this way you're going to be uploading your videos to. And Focus Tech, Meg Eng, My Q Cloud, and Zendex. I guess if you want to raise a ticket, it's just initializing to their servers. So it doesn't look too menacing, the calls there. Just if you do want to upload your data to the cloud, I guess that's what it's going to be using. Things to look for here is the battery indicator. This guy can go for about 4 hours when it's fully charged. So I guess I've got 2 hours remaining. All right, so that was a quick showdown of the XBot Go AI Cameraman taking over the future. The future is now. The past is the present. The present is the past. And the future has become something like that. Anyway, gotta say, it looks gorgeous, looks very, very sleek, very, very professionally designed, really high quality. Apple could have made this device. DJI could have made this device. It's very, very slick. Lots of controls and bits and bobs to play with. It also said it's going to have monthly app updates to update the algorithms. So the AI is going to get more intelligente. So that's pretty cool. I like that. Obviously, I did have some bugs when I was playing with it. It kind of like wanted to look at what it wanted to look at. Hello, we're over here. Didn't want to look at what I wanted it to look at. What's wrong with you? Look at what I wanted it to look at. But I guess the bugs will be ironed out. And give it a bit of credit, I was using the modes it had been given. So I was selecting 5-side football for under 14s. I'm not under 14, and I never had 5 people on either side. I'm pretty big, but I'm not that big. So potentially, if it was a proper 5-a-side, it might have worked better. But like I said, it says it's going to improve it. Monthly updates, all that kind of stuff. So hopefully it will get better. Bit of fun, gimbal, have a bit of giggles with it. Let me know what you guys think of the AI cameraman. Is it going to be taken over? I think if it starts zooming in, zooming out, running around, doing some cool stuff, maybe it will. But for now, this is the future. Hope you guys found this video useful and enjoyed the show.
She's gone.